Hi guys, it's Rod, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you set up a Facebook Business Manager from scratch, which is something that you really need to do, whether you're just starting out advertising or you've been advertising for a while. If you've got your own agency, you're advertising for your own business, it just makes things a whole lot easier when it comes to managing your ads, providing access to other people, other agencies, other people in your team to manage different assets. It's something that you want to get set up today and get it set up properly as well. Now, before we get started, please go ahead and smash the like button, click subscribe. If you enjoy the content on my channel and you'd like to find out when there's more coming out. I also want to let you know about a brand new community that I've got on Facebook. It's got almost 2,000 members now. It's called my Facebook and Instagram Ads Alchemy group. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it's very useful. This is where you can get your questions answered about how to succeed in Facebook and Instagram advertising. I answer a lot of the questions myself. There are other experienced members in the community that also answer questions. There'll be a link to that in the video description below. So make sure you get in there and join the group and participate in that community. And without any further ado, let's get into it. So to get started, you'll need to open up your web browser and go to business.facebook.com. And you'll also need to have a Facebook account. Now I've created a new Facebook account so that I can create the business manager from scratch, because obviously I've already got one for my agency. So once you're at that page, you just click on create account, and then you can put in your business manager details. Moko is the name of our cat, just in case you're wondering. Hopefully Facebook will accept this. Okay. If you've only just created your Facebook account, then you might just need to wait a little bit before you go ahead and create your business manager. So I'm going to pause this video and I'll come back to it. Speaking of cats, seems I have a bit of a cat allergy today, not to worry. So we just click on submit. We should have waited for long enough now. Ta-da! We can now create our business manager account. So you should get an email to the email address that you used to create your Facebook account to confirm your business manager account. So you need to go ahead and click on that link so that you can then get full access to your account. So now we're getting down to business, excuse the pun. If you've got a completely new business manager, you won't have any ad accounts or any pages attached to it. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to add an account. Now, if you're an agency and you manage other people's accounts, then you can simply ask for access to their account. If you're advertising for yourself, then you're going to need to create a new ad account. So I'm going to show you how to create a new ad account firstly. The interface that you'll see may be different depending on your region. So I'm in Australia. This is the interface that I see when I log into the Facebook Business Manager. Some other people might see a slightly different interface. In any case, you can click on that button there to get the business settings. But the other way that you can do it is if you click on the hamburger icon, which is usually up there on the top left. You go to the hamburger icon and then just click on business settings. Then we go down to add accounts and we click add. Now you've got three choices. You can add an ad account, you can request one, or you can create a new one. So I'm going to create a new ad account. When you create an account, it's really important that you get the time zone and the currency correct from the get-go, because you definitely can't change the time zone. Once you have set it up, that's it. You are stuck with that time zone for the life of that account. I believe that you can change the currency after, I think, a 60-day period. In any case, if you want your account to be in GBP or US dollars or Australian dollars, just make sure you get it set up that way from the beginning. So I'm going to set mine up in Australian dollars and on Sydney. So my time zone is all good. Now, you can choose to set up the ad account for yourself or for another client. Sometimes people ask about this as to whether, if they're going to run ads for a client, that they should set up an ad account for them. I don't recommend you do that. Have your client set the ad account up and then get them to provide you with access to the account. That is the best and, in my opinion, the most honorable way to do it. So that any work that you do, if you end up going your separate ways in the future, the client still has all of their information in their ad account. So in this case, I'm going to set it up for my business. Then you just need to add people. The bottom one, if you check that, it checks everything else above it. If you want to add partial access for this particular asset, then you can use one of the top buttons as well. So that's your account successfully created. Now what you need to do is add in your payment info. Now, obviously the location, the currency is pretty straightforward. Now, I'm not going to add any payment details in here for obvious reasons, but that is what you would need to do next. Typically, you'd add in a card of some sort. You might even want to use PayPal. You go on next, and then you need to put your card number details in here. Now, if you don't put in any payment details and you click save, it's not going to let you go any further. So I'll just stop the video while I do that, and then we'll continue on. Once you've added in your payment details, you'll get a screen like this, and you can add some funds in if you want to. I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to click on close. and now you've got an ad account. Now, there's a couple of other things that you need to do with your business manager to make sure that everything is ready to go. The first thing is making sure that you have all your business info set up. In your business info is where you've got to put in the name of your business, the address, the phone number, your website, your tax ID, all of that information. If you don't fill that out, then it's very unlikely that Facebook is going to let you run any ads within this business manager. So that's something that you need to do. And the other option is with regards to two-factor authentication. You can turn that on so that two-factor authentication is required for everyone who uses this particular business manager. But what you should do is always make sure that you have two-factor authentication turned on for whoever's using your business manager. It's a surefire way to get your account compromised if you don't have two-factor authentication turned on within your individual Facebook account. Nowadays, Facebook won't even let you access a business manager account unless you have two-factor authentication turned on. So make sure that you do have that turned on. Now, the other thing you're going to need to be able to run ads is to have a Facebook business page. So if you're running ads for a client, then you would want to request access to a page here. There are several other assets that you're going to need to be able to run ads, particularly if you're selling products for our website. You're going to need a pixel, and you're also going to need to set up domain verification. I've already got other videos that go through how to set up domain verification and also how to set up a pixel and the conversions API. So that's it for this video. Before you go, I just want to let you know that my agency is a specialist Facebook and Instagram advertising agency. We set up, create, manage Facebook and Instagram advertising campaigns for businesses. If you need help with getting better results from your Facebook and Instagram ads, or you're looking at starting and your budget is at least $100 per day and you need some help, then please have a chat with us. There'll be a link below in the description to our calendar where you can book in to have a chat with either myself or someone in my team. We can talk about what you're doing in your business, what your plans are, the price, all that good stuff. So maybe we'll end up working together sometime. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.